What I have here today is it's a vape. The name is Vasy and Qsun. Vasy and Qsun. Here stands Joker and the watermelon ice flavor. There's your charging port and the air intake. But this is a funny looking thing. Look at it, how it looks. So I tried to open it, and you can see how it looks inside. But I think you're going to struggle. This is normally you just have clips and stuff. See if you can refill it. Okay, obviously there is the input. It's always funny to me how they design these things. All this funny looking shapes and stuff. Okay, obviously there you can start with your there's a little stuff in there that sucks all the excess fluid that comes out here. It is a sponge or something. We're going to clean it now. And then here, there's actually very easy. There's an opening. There you can put your flavoring in. And here's just a sponge to keep the spacing. And here's the batteries inside here. Here's the battery. Okay, but now I would like to see how the rest of it looks. You can try to open it here. So whoever got it, you can just open that one, fill it up, charge it again, and then you can reuse it. It's very easy. Let's just open this clip piece. Okay, there's no need to open this side. There's nothing you can do here. See there. So obviously I need to open it here. There's it. It's not going to look the same anymore. It's going to have a few scratches on, but at least it's going to save you money. Okay, there's the. Okay, you can almost see there's some issues there. The charging port gets stuck in there. Obviously you have to press this maybe, so you have to press it through, and there's the battery also. You can take this off here, the battery can come out. Okay, there's your lithium polymer battery, 3.7 volt, 500 milliamps hour. Still everything is fine. And there's your electronics in the bottom there. Here's the element. I don't see any way to open this thing. Maybe it clips out. Yeah, there it clips out. There, does it open? Okay, now we can see now quickly. There's your charging port. There's your vacuum device. And that's it. It's the same as the other one. This other one has a lot of electronics, a charging circuit. But I don't see any charging circuit here. Maybe a very rough way of charging your battery just through a resistor and your 5 volt from the 5 volt port. I don't see any electronics. Just a few resistor capacitors. And maybe it sits underneath there. I don't know, I can't see. Maybe the FET sits inside that shoots the elements. Okay, so now you can see how it looks inside. Okay, let's just then put this back. There's your rubber. So here's a little clip inside there. Just need to make that inside there. There's it. It's clipped in there. You can close that now. And then we can, the battery goes in here. Can't remember if it was upside down or can lie like this. And then this part here, let's just open here. And we first have to push it through here. Make sure the battery to wires is there. That's it. There's your battery, it's in. Now you can obviously fill it up. Take your juice and fill it up. This we can close because we don't need this. And only this is the top side that you need to remove to fill it up. You can plug it in there. And that's it, and you can charge it. Okay, this is a very funny shape. Vasy and Qsun Joker vape. Very interesting, nice colors. And show you how you can open it, clean it, and fill it up again if you want to. And normally when this stuff is finished, they say it's the taste, you taste the element is burnt. Give the burnt taste. That maybe when there's too much of those juice that's been vaporized, burnt onto the element. And then you can just clean it. Or you can just, then you have to throw it away. You can't clean that. We can just quickly clean this. Take a piece of toilet paper. And take this thing and you squeeze it. And look, all the stuff goes out here. All the yellow juice. Just take up all the excess. It comes out here. Close it like this and put this back. And put it in there. You just take some the juice and you just, what you do, you just drip it in there. It will siphon down by itself. And then we can close it, put this on the battery again, keep the battery there at bay, put this back, and then you put your cavity back. That's it, and now we're gonna test it and use my pipe. Let's suck it here. Nice playing with the bubbles. Okay, that's it. That's just all from my side from this type of vape model. Hope you enjoy it or you can use it. Till next time, cheers.